Hello everyone. So today we start a new chapter, that is equation of straight line. Okay. So before going to start this chapter, we need to know about something, that is first of all inclination of a line, or you can say it's slope of a line. Okay. If you have a coordinate axis like this, and you have a line like that, so what is the inclination of this line actually? That is, this line made an angle theta with x-axis. Okay, I consider this AB is a line here and theta is here. Okay, so this theta is called inclination, and this theta is always used as a values of tan theta, and this is called slope. Okay, because the particular values of theta is not a numeric value. Okay, theta is an angle value theta. So the numeric value, that is tan theta, tan of theta, is called the gradient or slope of AB. So this denoted how much the angle inclined with the uh, respective axis. Okay, let PQ be another such a line. If you consider that the line is considered as this way. Okay, this is P, this is Q, I consider it. Okay, now here you can see that if you take this angle, okay, so this is not a actual thing that you need to do. Okay, you always have to take the angle throughout the clockwise sense. Okay, so that means this will be not, this angle will be the inclination of the line PQ. I consider it as a phi. So here, if the value of phi is, I consider that this is 45 degree. Okay, anything it can be. So tan 45, that is 1, is the inclination of the angle, or you can say this is the slope of the line. Okay, so now there is various kind of intercept form, various kind of intercept that in the axis of reference. So now we talk about that any linear equation in xy that represent a straight line. Okay, this is the thing, that any linear equation always represent the straight line. Okay, linear equation like form is in xy terms. Okay, in xy represent the straight line. So the general equation is what? That is, a general equation of straight line is nothing but ax plus by plus c equal to 0. This is the general equation of a straight line. Okay, if this line passes through the point x1 y1, x2 y2 and x3 y3, then we can write, I consider 2 point, okay, not 3. Then we can write, that is ax1 plus by1 plus c equal to 0, and ax2 plus by2 plus c equal to 0. That means these 2 points satisfies the equation of the line. Okay, and if it satisfies 3 point, then here is another point you have, say that is x3 y3, then this is also satisfies the line, that is ax3 plus by3 plus c equal to 0. Okay, now if you eliminate a b c from all three equation, this three equation, then you will get thing like, if you eliminate it, you will get x1 y2 minus y3 plus x2 y3 minus y1 plus x3 y1 minus y2 equal to 0. Just eliminate. If you try to eliminate it yourself, you will get this result. Okay, so that means this is the condition of 3 point are in line, that is x1 y1 x2 y2 x3 y3 are in the line. are in one straight line. Okay, if there is a point, there is a point, and there is a point. So that means whenever they talk about the collinearity of 3 points, you can use this formula and you can make sure that the values of this expression is 0. Okay, if you show that, then you have done, that is the 3 points are in collinear form. Now different kind of straight line you need to know the different form of equation of straight line. Now if general form is ax plus by plus c, you know about it. Now there is one form, that is gradient form. Okay, so gradient form is just understand the concept, the problem will be solved automatically. Okay, gradient form. So let the straight line AB makes angle theta with x axis and intercept of the length C with y axis. Okay, I consider that this is a straight line here, sorry, this is a coordinate axis here, and you have a straight line like this. Okay, that is, one is A, another is I consider this is pxy. Okay, this is our pxy, be any point on the straight line. Okay, now I consider this is B. Okay, now and this angle make theta with x axis in clockwise sense. So here you can see this portion, I show you in different color. This portion is, I named it C. Okay, this length is C actually. Okay, now what happened, that P is the line here. So now I draw a perpendicular from P. Okay, and if you draw this, and this is as named as M and this is L. Okay, so this angle is also theta, right? I think you don't have any doubt about this, that this angle being theta. Okay, so here you can see that we can write from the figure, that is BM equal to OL, right? This is O, sorry, this is O, this is OL. Okay, so that means this equal to x, because the coordinate of P is xy, that means this portion is always be x, right? That means x, and this M is y, this PL is y, that means this portion is y, right? Then the coordinate is xy here, so that means this is equal to x, and MP equal to LP minus LM, right? That I previously said, that is MP equal to LP minus LM. You can easily see that. So that means this is equal to, right, LP minus OB, right? That is because LM equal to OB. So that means LP is nothing but Y and OB is nothing but C, and the values of MP is what? Y minus C, right? Now you can see that if we see, that is triangle PBM equal to theta here. So if you consider, sorry, angle PBM equal to theta, if you consider angle PBM, triangle PBM, then you can write that is tan theta equal to base by height, right? We consider this triangle, I just show you this triangle we considered. Okay, now here this angle is theta, and if you consider here the tan theta, then it will be PM by PB definitely. Okay, so tan theta equal to PM by PB, right? So that means PM equal to, we previously say, that is Y minus C, and PB equal to X. Okay, now we denote the tan theta, that is nothing but gradient, right? is m equal to tan theta. Okay, so that means m equal to y minus c divided by x. So we can write here that is y equal to mx plus c. This relation satisfies by any point on the line, hence the equation, this is the equation of straight line. Okay, so this is gradient form of equation of straight line, where m is the gradient here. If you represent a straight line in this way, then m will be, and compare, then m will be the gradient of the straight line. Okay, so this defined the gradient of slope of the line, and c is the positive when the line increases oy, and the negative when it intersect oy dash. Okay, now the line parallel to x axis, if the line is parallel to x axis, then theta is equal to 0 degree. Okay, if you see this figure, then if the line is parallel to x axis, then what happen? This AB line, this AP line, you consider this is parallel to x axis, then theta will be 0 degree definitely, because this line shifted through this way, right? That means m equal to 0 here. Therefore the equation of a line parallel to x axis is y equal to c. So this is the distance from the equation of the x axis. Then, and if c equal to 0, what happen? Then it coincide with the x axis. Thus the equation of x axis you can write that is y equal to 0. We all know about it, right? Just listen this word carefully, because if you not hear it properly, it will not you will not understand it. So now what happened, one thing that you need to remember, that is when the line is passing through the origin, what happened? Then the c will definitely 0 here, right? If the line is passing through this way, then the distance between origin is c is 0, distance from the origin c is 0, right? That then c, whenever c is 0, if you put the c0 in here, then it will be y equal to mx. So this is the general equation of the line in gradient form that passes through 0. Okay, the constant term is eliminated actually. Now there is one form, another form, that is intercept form. Okay, that is quite important. So let's see how it can be made. That is, I consider this is our axis here, y, and this is 0, and this is x, right? And this is our line here, there is a, and this is b. Okay, I consider that this line intersect x axis in a0, because this must be 0 here, the y coordinate, because it cuts the x axis here. This is the point, right? And this will be, must be, I consider there is 0b, right? Because the x coordinate is 0 here. So this is our general figure. Okay, now you can say that let the line AB cut the intercept, that is A and B, and on the axis x and y respectively. Now P at any point on this line, P xy, I consider the coordinate of P is xy. P xy is any point, and I draw a perpendicular, there is M. Okay, now what happened? Here you can see from the similar triangle, that is APM and ABO. Okay, the triangle APM and ABO are similar here. Okay, so similarities properties here, one similarity properties have been used, that is MA divided by OA equal to MP divided by OB. Okay, you can see here, if we consider this triangle, that is APM and ABO. Okay, that means which triangle we talk about, that is this triangle, sorry, this triangle and this total triangle. That means this equal this divided by total this equal to MP, that means this divided by total OB, this. Okay, this is a similarity property. Now if we use if we put the values here, then MA equal to is definitely A minus X, and OA equal to A, we all know about it, and MP equal to Y, and OB equal to B. Okay, so it will be, if we deduce this, it will be that is you can see here AY equal to AB minus BX, that means AY minus BX equal to AB, sorry, AY plus BX equal to AB. That means if we divide all this by AB, then it will be x by A plus y by B equal to 1. Okay, so this is the intercept form of the straight line. You need to remember all this form, okay, otherwise you will not able to solve that. So that means if you represent this any straight line in this form, then this straight line cut x-axis in A0 and cut y-axis in 0b, sorry, yes, 0b in that length. Okay, so this is the actually the intercept form of a equation. Now there is one deduction, there is some deductions from these two terms, these two forms. Okay, basically the gradient form, that will show you in the next session. Just stay tuned with me. Okay, just look at those examples, it will be clear to you. I hope it will be clear to you. So that's all for this lesson. We'll be back in minutes.